Hi everyone, welcome to the Cookie Couture where flavor and design collide. Today I'm going to be sharing with you how I make a delicious vinaigrette inspired in Nancy Silverton's chopped salad. But first, if you're new here in my channel, don't forget to subscribe and push the notification button, and let's get started. I started by smashing 1 clove of garlic. Now I am going to put it in a measuring cup and I am going to add 2.5 tablespoons of balsamic vinegar. The original recipe calls for red wine vinegar, but I substituted for this delicious balsamic vinegar. Now I am going to squeeze the juice of half Mayor lemon. I invite you to enjoy the time that you're going to be preparing this delicious vinaigrette because it's full of aroma and delicious flavors. Now I am going to rub between my hands 2 tablespoons of dry oregano. Oregano has a distinct aroma and flavor that can stimulate your senses and bring enjoyment to your meal. The pleasant scent and taste of the herb can evoke positive feelings and elevate your mood. Now I am going to add half teaspoon of sea salt, 1/4 teaspoon of freshly ground pepper. Now I am going to grate another clove of garlic. And if you are looking to buy a new grater, this is the best thing ever. I was so happy when I saw at the fair some of the chefs using one of these. Now I am going to whisk all the ingredients and then I am going to cover them and I am going to let it rest for about 20 minutes so all the delicious flavors of the garlic and the oregano infuse in this vinegar. Now I am going to measure 1.5 cup of extra virgin olive oil. The best quality that you can afford is going to make this dressing more delicious. Now I am going to add the oil in a slow and steady motion, whisking constantly to form an emulsion. I always like to double check for the taste of this vinaigrette, and sometimes I add a little bit more of salt. You can also put it in a vinaigrette jar and you can shake it until you make the emulsion. And that's it, the vinaigrette for this delicious salad is ready. Now let's assemble this delicious salad. I am going to start by putting a little bit of iceberg lettuce, radicchio, unsalted chickpeas, thinly sliced red onion, cherry tomatoes cut in half, some pieces of Genoa salami, some aged provolone cheese, some pepperoncini peppers cut in thin slices. Now I am going to give it another shake to the vinaigrette and I am going to put it in a little container just for presentation. Now I am going to drizzle this delicious vinaigrette. Oh my gosh, this salad is so amazing. You are going to love it. And last but not least, I am going to put a little bit of oregano on top. And this is the other salad I judged at 452 in the tournaments of salads, and this salad is a 10. Not only because of delicious flavors and mix of textures, but also while you are preparing it is a sensory experience. This salad has a lot of health benefits. It is a creative salad, and the mindfulness associated with incorporating such ingredients into the salad can certainly contribute to an enjoyable culinary experience. I hope that you can give it a try to this recipe, because if you do it, I am pretty sure that you're going to fall in love with it as I did. And please check in the description of this video for the link for the original recipe. This recipe makes a lot of dressing, so you can use it to prepare some other delicious meals. Okay guys, thank you very much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe and push the notification button, and see you next time. Bye bye!